Let's begin with basics. Do you know what is a restore point? Restore point contains few essential files and information that are used to restore your computer, with your personal files, to an earlier date at which the computer worked absolutely fine. But wait, do we need to create restore points manually? It's true that Windows creates some restore points automatically, but these restore points may not work efficiently at some times. Therefore, it is a good practice to create some restore points by yourself, especially before installing a critical software, a game, or any other task, which may modify system properties. Okay, first we are going to enable system protection for our computer. To do this, go to your Windows search bar, and type restore point in the search field. Click on the top search result, and it will open the System Protection window. Here, you can see the system protection status of your computer. Normally, Windows automatically turned on system protection by default. If it is your case, you can skip this step, and go directly to the next step. If it is disabled, you need to configure it, before create any restore point. It will open a new window, to create system protection for your local disk, which contains your operating system. In there, you can enable system protection and assign how much of your hard disk should be used for this purpose. Do not assign more than 20% from your hard disk, it will usually create some conflicts. If all are set, click OK, and then go to the next step. Here you can see, the system protection for our local drive, are now enabled. Now, you can create a new system restore point for any partition. Let's see how to create a new restore point for our local directory. Type a name to identify the restore point later, and click OK. It will take few minutes to complete, so be patient. Here you see, the restore point has been created successfully. You can create more restore points for any directory by following these steps. Well, now you know how to create restore points. But, what to do, if you want to remove any restore point created earlier. To do this, first select the directory you want to remove restore points, and click Configure. In here, at the very bottom, you can see a delete button. Click on that. What's this? Well, it says that you can't reverse this step once you are done. So please think twice, before proceed. I'm pretty sure what I'm gonna do. So, I click on Continue. As you can see, all restore points have been deleted forever. Well, now you know how to create and delete any restore point as you want. But, one last thing, how could you use these restore points to reverse back your computer into an earlier date? Well, let's find out. To do this, again open the System Protection window. In here, click on System Restore. Here you will see a new window, called System Restore. Just click on Next at the very bottom right corner. Here you can see all the restore points you have created earlier for this drive. Select one from the list, and click on Next. You must restore your local drive, which contains Windows. You can choose any other drive if you want.